The chief guest has arrived at the venue. The bursar, Mr. Khalid Noon, along with the heads of the three schools, welcome the chief guest. The Honorable Principal Dr. Syed Mohammad Turab Hussain is accompanying the worthy chief guest along with the three heads of school and bursar, Mr. Khalid Noon and the Games Master. It is a privilege to introduce Khwaja Ahmed Hassan, a distinguished public servant whose legacy of leadership and integrity continues to inspire. A proud HSN College alumnus, he exemplifies the values of excellence and service that define an HSonian. As one of the oldest and most respected members of the Board of Governors, he has remained deeply committed to strengthening the institution that helped shape his character and vision. In public office, Mr. Hassan made history as the youngest mayor of Lahore, earning the rare and distinguished title of City Father, the only HSonian to receive this honor. His tenure was marked by transformative urban development and a steadfast dedication to civic improvement. He led landmark infrastructure initiatives including Lahore Metro Bus, Orange Line, Metro Train. These projects have shaped public transportation in Lahore and improved the daily lives of millions. Earlier, as town mayor of Tata Ganj Bakshtown, his administration received recognition from the Asian Development Bank for being the best run town, a testament to his effective governance and commitment to public service. Thank you, sir, for bestowing us with the honor of your presence. In order to begin today's proceedings, the recitation and translation of Holy Quran will be conducted by Rafi Hassan Raja of Tajuddin House.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والذين لا يشهدون الزور وإذا مروا باللغو مروا كراما والذين إذا ذكروا بآيات ربهم لم يخروا عليها صما وعميانا والذين يقولون ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا قرة أعين وجعلنا للمتقين إماما أولئك يجزون الغرفة بما صبروا ويلقون فيها تحية وسلاما خالدين فيها حسنت مستقرا ومقاما. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are those who do not bear false witness, and when they come across falsehood, they pass it by with dignity. There are those who, when reminded of the revelation of their Lord, do not turn a blind eye or a deaf ear to it. There are those who pray, "Our Lord, bless us with pious spouses and offspring who will be the joy of our hearts and make us models for the righteous." It is they who will be rewarded with elevated mansions in the paradise. Their perseverance and will be received with salutations and greetings of peace. Staying there forever, what an excellent place to settle and reside.
Jazakallah. Now our head boy Muhammad Abdul Muiz will seek permission from the worthy chief guest, Mr. Khwaja Ahmad Hassan. May I please request the chief guest and our principal to please step forward.
Ladies and courage! Attention! Salute, sir. I have the permission to start, sir. Thank you, sir.
The permission has been granted, and now we will start today's proceedings with the march past. Our march past is led by our commander, our head boy for the year, Muhammad Abdul Muiz. He's followed by the national flag bearer, Muhammad Najmul Jamal, our deputy head boy for this year. Followed by him we have our college flag bearer, Mir Herdos Khan Jonki. He's followed by the house flag bearers, ladies and gentlemen. The first house we have Kevin House. The commander is Saad Hayat. The flag bearer is Ansabaz Chaudhary. And the board boy we have Ghulam Ali Azhar. Followed by them we have Gordon House. The commander is Shahryar Yunus, the flag bearer is Moin Nadeem, and the board boy is Ali Hamdan. We then have Karen House. The commander is Ehsan Khan, the flag bearer is Aslan Bhattu, and the board boy is Bilal Tara. Followed by Karen House, we have Leslie Jones House. The commander is Mir Majid Mahmood, the flag bearer is Azaz Ahmed Palipurko, and the board boy is Basim Sumro. For Shirazi House, our commander is Zabiullah Khan, the flag bearer is Abdul Hadi Balki, and the board boy is Hassan. Alki House. The commander is Isa Badera, the flag bearer is Mohit Sadiq Noor, and the board boy is Kamyarwa Shamsi. They are followed by Marble House. Saleh Malik is the commander, the flag bearer is Ayana Asad Malik, and the board boy is Sayyid Tariq. They are followed by Balochistan House. The commander is Zayan Hussain, the flag bearer is Fawad Rana, and the board boy is Momin Rabbe. front of us we have Centenary House. The commander is Umar Salim, the flag bearer is Colonel Fawad, and the board boy is Faik Mudassir.
Centenary House! Samne, next!
Followed by them we have Qazi House. The commander is Ibrahim Man, the flag bearer is Rayan Salman, and the board boy is Saad Samiullah.
Qazi House! Samne, next!
We then have Goldstein House. The commander is Mohammed Hamza Ahmed, the flag bearer is Ibrahim Khalid, and the board boy for Goldstein House is Iqan Ali Sayyed. For Hari House, the commander is Zain Haroon, the flag bearer is Qasim Nazim, and the board boy is Tarsan Khan.
Qazi House! Samne, next!
They are followed by Jinnah House. The commander is Zain Sadiq, the flag bearer is Nayan Bashir, and the board boy is Raja Ram.
House! Okay, next! Next!
They are followed by Jubilee House. The commander is Shahryar Qureshi, the flag bearer is Numair Zaman, and the board boy is Abdullah bin Rehan.
Qazi House! Samne, next!
We then have Robinson House. The commander is Taha Salman, the flag bearer is Mohammed Hashim Khan, and the board boy is Mikhail Hassan. They are followed by Sikandar House. The commander is Musa Mansoor, the flag bearer is Talal Shah, and the board boy is Saad bin Ahmad. They are followed by Tajuddin House. The commander is Mabir Malik, the flag bearer is Saif Ali, and the board boy is Jalal Ahmed Chima.
Tajuddin House! Samne, next!
We then have Sergeant Manu Badaway. The commander is Musa Mustafa, the board boy is Mohammed Junaid, and the flag bearer is Waqas Singh. Followed by them we have Second Manu Heavyweight. The commander is Ali bin Osman, the board boy is Asmin Khan, and the flag bearer is Abid Ali.
Number one! Chico! Next!
They are followed by the Campus Boys High School, ladies and gentlemen. The commander is Bilal Azam, flag bearer is Faizan Salim, and the board boy is Muhammad Ali Raja. Followed by them, with this steps and perfect harmony, we've got our Campus Girls High School. The commander is Manur Fayaz, the flag bearer is Rimsha, and the board girl is Mubashir Ali. They are followed by our riding squad with riders from senior, prep and junior school, led by our captain for riding Musa Uzair, the commander is Sayyid Qadr Qazi, and the flag bearer is Ishaq Khan.
Riding squad! On front! व्यू चेंज करूँगा
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our police band. Our first event for today is the 100 meters under 14 final. Sir Shamil, can you please announce the names for the 100 meters under 14 final?
While we await the results for this race,
For the 116 age group, the finalists are Diamani from Ghazi House, Ahmed Chuja from Sikandar House, Zulran Qayyum from Godley House, Sayyid Amal Raza from Centenary House, Shahzain Saftar from Ghazi House, Mohammad Abdullah Ahmed from Hari House, Ibrahim Mustafa Khan from LJ House, Qasim Awan from Kele House, and Mohammad Shafi Bad from Goldstein House. For the 100 meters under 14, third position goes to Rana Abdul Sani, the second position to Ali Hamza from Manu Khaibar Wing, and the first position goes to
with a timing of 12.06 seconds, Ferhan Niaz. Seems like a very close fought race. While we await the results for the next race, and if you would take us through the names.
For the 100 meters over 16 age group, we have the finalists Mohammad Ibrahim Pasha from Ghazi House, Saad Hayat from Kele House, Saif Hamid from Jubilee House, Abdullah Mursal from Kele House, Ahmed Usman Shakir from Sikandar House, Majid Mahmood from LJ House, Mohammad Alian Shahid from Balochistan House, Malik Mohammad Azan Afzal from Godley House, and Mabir Shiraz Malik from Tajul House. Sir Shamil, can you please tell us about the record for the over 16 age group?
The record was set by Ahmed Saeed from LJ House in 2016, and the record was a stellar 10.97 seconds. The results are in. Coming in third was Zulran Qayyum from Godley House with a timing of 11.68 seconds. Coming in second with a time of 11.58 seconds was Ahmed Chuja, Sikandar House. And then for the first position,
We've got Diamani from Ghazi House with a timing of 11.38 seconds. Well done, boys.
all the teachers, all the old boys should make their way on the field to begin tug of war. All senior school teachers, Mr. Iqbal Haider, Mr. Yasir Arafat Khan, Ali Ahmed Rana, Waqas Yunus, Amir Hamza, Arshad Hassan, Zafar Iqbal, Sarmat Khan from Prep School, Zahid Khan Prep School, Ehsan Mahmood, Shehzad Ali Imran, Adnan Salim, Hafiz Shaukat and Ghulam Mustafa, all from Prep School should make their way. And the old boys, Hassan Noor Padawala, Qasim Faiz, Usman Khan, Sayyid Muhammad Murtaza Hussain, Raja Salman Haider, Shehzad Bhatt, Atif Munir, Atif Rafi, Hassan Imran, Murtaza Mehdi, Rizwan Zia, Sardar Muhammad Ali, Harun Rafi Khan and Naeem Ahmed. All the best to both of the teams. Can we have the results coming in?
For the 100 meters over 16 in third position, we have Mohammad Ibrahim Pasha from Ghazi House with a timing of 11.41 seconds. In second position, we've got Abdullah Mursil from Kere House with a time of 11.39 seconds.
And coming in first with a time of 11.02 seconds, Saif Hamid from Jubilee House. Time of 11.02 1.02 seconds. Close miss for the record. Well done, all the boys.
I can see that the Headmistress Senior School and the Headmaster Prep School have stepped forward to support all the teachers.
Definitely going to be a riveting match.
After this, we have the 1500 meters open final. All the participants for the 1500 meters open final are to be ready at the starting point as well. As soon as this is over, we have the 1500 meters open final. Ladies and gentlemen, our 1500 meters open final has started. Please put your hands together for all these athletes. They're going to be taking about 4 rounds of the main cricket ground. Well done, all athletes. They're going to go in for their last round for the 1500 meters now. As they head towards the last round, all the athletes are now sprinting. We've got the first position coming in. He's going to be crossing the MCG pavilion. We've got the winner coming in towards the finishing line, ladies and gentlemen.
Racing towards the finish line. Well done. Then we have the results for under 14 age group, and from what I can see, there's a new record. If you could jog us through.
In third position, we've got Salahuddin House with a time of 54.07 seconds. In second position, we have Sagan Manu Khedawing with a time of 50.73 seconds.
And coming in first, setting a new record with a time of 49.82 seconds, is Sagan Manu House following Waqas Naeem, Zunair, Mustafa, Mustafa, and Mohammad Maha. Well done.
100 meters races are mostly the most anticipated races. The last baton has been exchanged. We've got the runners.
Going to be a very close one. Lots of changes of lead as I see it. The last one has begun.
The last baton has been exchanged. We've got the athletes coming in for the finishing line. The last baton has been handed over. It's a big lead, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for our young old boys.
A resounding victory, no doubt.
In second position, we've got Usman Qayyum, Awais Bakshi, Akbar Saeed, and Shahzeb Macon with a timing of 51.85 seconds. And the winners with a timing of 47.01 seconds are Shadreel Khan Niazi, Hashir Sham Khan, Abdullah Zaman, and Abdul Rahman Arif. Congratulations to all the young old boys, and thank you for being here with us today. The winner for the 400 meters under 16, we've got Qasim Awan from Kere House with a time of 56.48 seconds.
The audience will cheer up these boys. Ladies and gentlemen, please cheer up the boys, the athletes. The cyclists have started to go for their last lap. Come on, boys.
जी
Well done, old boys.
एक
Can
सेकंड
we request for the 50 meters, the results were as follows. In third position, we had Nisar Zaman. In second position, we had Mr. Moiz. And the winner was Mr. Ehsan. The second section, Mohammad Ayan Arif, Sayyid Mohammad Ismail Shah, Mohammad Shafi Javed, and Mohammad Hasnan Khan. Wait for the green flag, please. Alright. All four of them aiming at their pegs. Well done, boys. I think one of them takes it and one uproots it. Our third section, please be ready at the starting point. We've got Mohammad Ishaq Khan, Mohammad Azhar Khan, Mohammad Ahmed Abid, and Ayan Hassan. The green flag is up. We are ready for our third section.
इसको दिखा रहा मुझे तो नहीं समझ लग रही है
They start at the starting point. All them aiming for their pegs. One uproots it. We'll now have a pair.
आप कहीं और जगह से रही हैं दिखाया किसी और जगह
Mr.
पर है,
Nigau
मुझे
said,
समझ आ
the
रही है आप लोग
instructor,
क्यों नहीं समझ रहे हो
and Walid Hassan, the assistant housemaster from Manu House. Please wait for the green flag. The green flag is up. Can you please have Mr. Nigau Sen and Walid Hassan? It's a bag. Both of them take a bag. We will now have our old boys come in for their sections. Our first section, we've got Mr. Amir Munawar. The green flag is up. We are ready for our first section of our old boys. They start at the starting point. All four of them beautiful at the and three of them take the back, ladies and gentlemen. The green flag is up. We are ready for our second section. Hamza Tariq Sadar, Mia Shahbain Tariq, Sharafi Alam, and Muhammad Abdullah Ilyas. The green flag is up. All four of them start at the starting point, aiming for their pegs. And three of them take it. Well done to our old boys. It is truly an honor and a proud moment for all of us to have the boys here. We then have the Estonians from 19 followed by a Estonian from 1981 to 1990. Followed by the Estonian between 1991 and 2000. We then have what we call young old boys. The Estonians from 2001 to 2010, followed by Estonians from 2011 to 2020, and our very recent graduates in Estonians from 2021 to 2025.
Thank you very much.
Musa Mustafa Khan and Muhammad Mahal to receive their medals from the chief guest.
बेटा आगे मूव करते जाओ.
कैमरा बंद कर दिया वेट करो यार अली
Inter-House Swimming Challenge Cup 25-26. The winner is Khalid House. And I invite Muhammad
Thank you very much.
Mustafa and Sulaiman Ali to receive the trophies from the chief guest.
बेटा shake hand, shake hand, shake hand.
Inter-House Hockey Turkish
Thank you very
Cup 25-26. The winner is Sagar Mahmoud Balawi.
और अली वो कैमरा ले आ।
Waqas Singh, Muhammad Zunair and Muhammad Musa to receive the trophies.
शाबाश बेटा शाबाश शाबाश. आओ बेटा आओ शाबाश.
Muhammad Fahad Ravi and Muhammad Ryan from Sir Syed House, kindly step forward. You are the winner.
Thank you very much.
Inter-House Football Challenge Cup 25-26 under 13.
बेटा किधर आ जाओ आगे.
Inter-House Football Challenge Cup over 13.
उमर साहब के साथ कर.
Is Sagar Mahmoud Balawi. May I invite Ahmed Ali and Narek Baloch to kindly step forward to receive the trophy.
उमर साहब के साथ
May I invite Muhammad Umar and Raja Muhammad Azizah
मतलब थोड़ा सा इधर.
from Iqbal House
नहीं सर आप ठीक है. उमर साहब आप इधर. Yes, good.
for Inter-House Cricket Challenge
Thank you
Cup
very much.
under 13.
मैडम के साथ यहाँ पे बच्चा इस बच्चे को
Cricket
इधर.
Challenge Cup over 13 and the winner is second Mahal Balawi. May I
Thank you very
invite Muhammad Mahal and Muhammad Rehan Sakir to receive the trophy on behalf of their house.
इधर लगाओ. मैडम के ऊपर.
Inter-House Basketball Challenge Cup 25-26 under 13 and the winner is second Mahal Balawi.
Thank you very much.
May I invite Azan Ahad and Abed Asad Bokhi to receive the cup from the worthy chief guest.
बेटा चीफ गेस्ट के साथ खड़े होते आगे नहीं. ये
Up next we have Inter-House Basketball
Thank
Challenge
you very
Cup
much.
over 13. The winner is second Mahal Balawi. Chaudhry Muhammad Ali Sajid and Muhammad Ahmed Mahal to receive the trophy.
Well done, boys.
बेटा साथ हो जाओ. उमर साहब के साथ हो जाओ.
25-26 and the winner is again
Thank you.
second Mahal Balawi. Waqas Singh and Muhammad Zunair to receive the trophy from the chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, best athlete under 12 is Muhammad Abdullah of Sagar House.
Thank you very much.
Balawi. Best athlete under
Thank you very much.
13 is Amir Hamza of Sir Syed House.
मैम प्रिंसिपल साहब को भी साथ है ये सर थैंक यू
Next rider 25-26 and the winner of the Yusuf Sagar Challenge Cup is Ehticham Jamal Khan of Iqbal House. Next cricketer 25-26 and the winner of the Sagar Challenge Cup is shared between Sulaiman Ali of Sir Sayyid House and Muhammad Rehan Saqib of Marwa Badawi. Next footballer 25-26 and
मेरा
the
ट्रॉफी तो
winner
नीचे करो आप
Mahak bin Faisal Challenge
Thank you.
Cup. Again, it's a tie between Muhammad Ibrahim Wajid of Maksi House and Ali bin Sharia of Sir Sayyid House.
थैंक यू
Next house is Athletic and the winner of the Islam Hussain Challenge Cup is second Manu House Featherweight. May I invite Abid Ali and Meerat Balod to receive the cup on behalf of the house. Last but not the least, champion house in sports 25-26 prep school is second Manu House Featherweight. May I invite Mohammad Zaid and Mohammad Rehan Saqib to receive the trophy on behalf of the house.
जी बेटा टेक योर पोजीशंस एक्सीलेंट 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 ये
सर थोड़े ट्रॉफी नीचे कर
थोड़ी ट्रॉफी
जी सर
थैंक यू वेरी
थैंक यू
मच
सर
Moving on to senior prizes. 100 meters over 16. In the third position, we have Sadhya Cricket House. The second position goes to Abdullah Mursis of Cricket House again.
सर थैंक यू
And the winner of 100 meters over 16 is going to receive the Princess Meherbano Challenge Cup. Is Saif Amin of Juki House.
भाई मैसेज करके बता दे क्या बात है मोहम्मद हसन हो जाएगा
Okay, requesting additional senior school madam to join us on the stage.
शी इज ऑन स्टेज शी इज ऑन
You are thank you. 100 meters under 16. The third position goes to Zulrein Qayyum of Raja. The second position goes to Ahmed Shuja of Sikandar.
उधर से थैंक यू
And the winner of 100 meters under 16 is Naim Ali of Bhatia.
थैंक यू
400 meters over 16. In the third position we have Ahmed Haris Zaman Khan of Juki House. The second position goes to Sadhya of Cricket House.
पिक्चर तो करवाओ अपनी
And the winner of
साथ एक
400
सेकंड साथ
meters
साथ
over 16 and the winner of 20 Challenge Cup is Saif Amin
Thank
Juki
you.
House. In the second place, we have Ahmed Shuja of High House. And the winner of 400 meters under 16 is Qasim Awan of Kenya. Meters in the open category. The third position goes to Muhammad Roshan from Balochistan House. The second position goes to Ahmed Arsalan Khan of Jubilee House. And the winner of the
साथ खड़े होते हैं, साथ खड़े होते
1500 meters open is
Thank you.
Mohit Sadiq Loan of Ali House. Up next we have 4200 meters inter-house relay over 60. In the third place we have High House. May I invite Muhammad Qasim, Zuhair Chauhan, Muhammad Haziq and Muhammad Ibrahim to receive the medals from the chief guest.
बेटा आप साथ खड़े हो जाओ, कासिम साथ सर के साथ। हाजिक आप मैडम के साथ आ जाओ, मैडम साथ।
बेटा आप उधर। Second position in 200 meters, inter-house relay, Azlan Khan, Majid Mahmood, Itazaz Ahmed, and Ali Hussain Badshah step forward and receive the medals. Your turn, 200 meters inter-house relay, first position K-House, Muhammad Abdul Moeez,
बादशाह प्लीज के साथ।
and Muhammad Awais Nadeem to kindly step forward to receive the medals.
थैंक यू। मोइज प्रिंसिपल साहब के साथ खड़े हो जाओ आप।
200 meters inter-house relay under 16. The third position goes to Edge House. May I invite Ibrahim Mustafa, Harun Arif, Aryan Khan, and Zaha Irfan to receive the medals.
आप बेटा उधर चीफ गेस्ट।
Edge House. Your relay team get ready. 200 meters inter-house
आगे बैठ जाओ,
relay
बैठ जाओ, बैठ जाओ।
under 16. The second position goes to Edge House. May I invite Shahid Javed, Qasim Awan,
Thank you.
Muhammad Musa, and Abdul Nasir to receive the medals. And the first position inter-house relay under 16.
शायद आगे बैठ जाओ बेटा,
Devaya.
आगे बैठ जाओ।
Hamza
चीफ गेस्ट के आगे बैठ जाओ।
Muhammad Shahriar Hassan and Shauki Muhammad need to kindly step forward to receive the medals.
गौर कर रहे हैं एकदम सही नहीं कह रहा है
Yes, kindly show some spirit. Better.
बेटा बैठ जाओ आगे, चीफ गेस्ट के आगे आप दोनों।
We now have our old boys 400 meters relay. In third position, may I please request Mohammad Mustafa bin Hassan Janhua, Daniel Rizvi, Fawad, and Bilal Ahmed to step forward.
Where's the fourth one?
Second position for the 400 meters relay all boys.
बेटा इधर जंजुआ जंजुआ
Please
मैडम को
request
कर
Usman Kayoum, Awais Bakshi, Akhtar Saeed,
बैठ जाओ
and Shahid Nathan to step
बैठ जाओ
forward.
बैठ जाओ
I repeat the names of the second position. Usman Kayoum, Awais Bakshi, Akhtar Saeed, and Shahid Nathan.
चारों आप ही पहन लो बख्शी आप ही पहन लो चारों यस
The winners in first position
yes,
for the 400 meters relay all boys. Yeah, please request Shazeen Khan Niazi, Hashir Shah Khan, Abdullah Zaman, and Abdul Rahman Arif to step forward. They won the race with a time of 47.01 seconds. After this, we're going to have the winners of the 50 meters, 50 to 60 years old boys exhibition race. May I please request for third position, Mr. Nisar Zaman to step forward.
वाओ
The second position goes to Mr. Miles and the first position to Mr. Essen. All three of them step forward to receive their medal. Congratulations.
निसार भाई इधर खड़े हुए हैं निसार भाई इधर खड़े हुए हैं मैडम के साथ इधर सर थैंक यू
For the 25 meters over 60 years old boys in third position, may I please request Mr. Nasir Zaman to step forward. Second position, Asif Fayyad Malik, and the winner we had Major Hamid Hassan.
मेजर साहब आप चीफ गेस्ट के साथ सर उमर साहब
Best basketball player 25-26 and the winner of the Imani Kalsi Challenge Cup, Mohammad Siham Amin of Kerala. Best bowler 25-26 and the winner of Syed Zulfikar Ali Bukhari Challenge Cup,
Madam, ऐसे ही है।
Mohammad Muhit Wazir of Jukia.
थैंक यू
Best leader 25-26 is Sufyan Siraj of Manwal Following.
थैंक यू
Best batsman 25-26 and the winner of Manchester Challenge Cup is Dawood Saqib Rana of Bhatia. Best 25-26 and the winner of Valencia Challenge Cup
आगे भी रहना मिलके जा
is Badshah of Bhatia. The next Kakavia invites Mrs. Zahid Salim Munus to present the best
Thank you.
performance in a Cuba cricket match 25-26. Emma
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Up next we have Best Football Player 25-26 and the winner of the Jeet Trendy Challenge Cup is the tie between Abdullah Mursid of Kenya House and Hamdan Hassan Ahmed of Al-Qira. Best Hockey Player 25-26 and the
Sir, थोड़ा
winner
सा
of the
problem
Somali
है
Challenge Cup, Neeraj Khan
Thank you, sir.
of Al-Qira.
Like this.
Cross country race 25-26 and the winner of Bahawalpur Challenge Cup is Salah Khan of Saudi House. Ladies and gentlemen, he has a new record, 35 minutes, 39.84 seconds.
चला नहीं दिखा मुझे। Thank you.
25-26 and the winner of Rani of Mandi Challenge Cup is Mohamed Saleh Noor of Al House. Again, Peggy 25-26 and the winner of the Salpur Challenge Cup is Muhammad Ishaq Khan of Jubilee House. Best in drums and schoolwork, and the winner of Bahari Challenge Award for writing is Muhammad Musa Hussain of Jinnah House. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a very young writer.
Musa.
He's in K6, Best Writer, Junior School, first position K6, Muhammad Saad Mujur of Liaquat House. Best Writer 25-26 and the winner of Malik Quran of Shivana Challenge Cup is Muhammad Musa Uzair of Jinnah House.
Our next prize is for the top of all, Asian Boys staff versus your boys. In second position, we have the old boys, and I please request Mr. Hassan Pagawala to step forward
Musa.
to receive the medal. For the old boys, in second position, the top of all, Mr. Hassan Noor Pagawala to please step forward.
And wow. Hip hip.
The
Sir, my
winners
left side पे, sir, my left
were
side
the
पे.
Eastern staff members. May I please request Headmistress Senior School and Headmaster Prep School to receive the trophy from the chief guest.
Thank you, sir.
That's really what
And the winner of Fisher House Cycle Race is KSI Rahmani of
My
Saudi
left side पे
House.
और left side पे. Thank you.
Obstacle race 400 meters Gymkhana event. The second position goes to Khan Samiullah of Ghazi House. Cricket Challenge Cup 25-26 in the open category. The winner is Cannon House. May I invite Muhammad Ali Khan to kindly step forward and receive the trophy on behalf of his house. Inter-House Athletics Challenge Cup over 16. The winner is K-House. I invite someone from Birthday House, Inter-House Athletics Challenge Cup under 16. The winner is Birthday House. Ladies and gentlemen, best athlete under 16 and the winner of Chaudhary Narayan Singh Challenge Cup is Gunnar to you, Mafana. Second best athlete over 16 and the winner of Nawab Hashim Hussain Challenge Cup is Ibrahim Pasha.
Ibrahim, left side पे आना बेटा.
Inter-House Cricket Kuranga Challenge Cup 25-26. The winner is Gunnar Kayyum of White House. Best athlete over 16, 25-26, and the winner of Asian Challenge Cup is the time between Stephanie and Sarah.
May I please request our riders to step forward. We're going to have the prizes for them.
Thank you.
In second position in the exhibition section 10 pegging, and please request all boys Amir Munawar, Asim Ali Shah, Raja Nasir and Mohammed Manzar to please step forward. Second position in the section 10 pegging exhibition, Amir Munawar, Asim Ali Shah, Raja Nasir and Mohammed Manzar.
आमिर भाई इधर खड़े हो जाए प्रिंसिपल साहब के साथ. आमिर भाई प्रिंसिपल साहब के साथ. सर वी कैन एक सेकंड. Thank you very much.
The winners, the first position in the Section 10 pegging exhibition. May I please request Hamza Tariq Sadat, Nia Shahwali Tariq, Mohammad Abdullah Dogan, and Mohammad Abdullah Ilyas to step forward and receive their medals. Well done and congratulations, all boys.
आए बेटा साथ आए. Thank you. ऐसी बड़ी
For the Shergar Challenge Cup, Marksman of the Year, may I please request Mirza Ghulam Qadir Ahmed from Badi House to step forward.
बेटे तो लग सकते हो. Thank you.
For the Javed Zaman Akroba Big Bash Cricket Cup 2025-26 Post 2001 category, the winners were AC Royals, batch of 2019 and 20. Now please request Naya Azad and Zain Tukir to step forward.
मेरा कप्तान जैन इधर आप लेफ्ट साइड
Next up, we have Javed Zaman Akroba Big Bash Cricket Cup 2025-26, where the winners were the AC Great Legends, batch of 2000. Now please request Asim Parvez Zaka and Ehsan Manan to step forward.
बाबा साहब भी साइड पे आ जाएं थैंक यू वेरी मच
For the Javed Zaman Cricket Challenge Cup Annual Akroba Fixture 2025-26, to be given by Mr. Javed Zaman's family, may I please invite the winners, Eastern College, Mohammad Khan from Jubilee House to step forward.
इसको मोहम्मद खान थोड़ा सा नीचे करो ट्रॉफी को ग्रोथ थैंक यू
For the Akroba Challenge Cup 2025-26, the winner was Eastern College with a score of 6-0. May I please invite the captains, Mohammad Siham Amin for basketball, the captain, Mohammad Khan from Jubilee House for cricket, Abdullah Mohsin from Kere House for
बेटा
football,
प्रिंसिपल साहब के साथ
Mir Hedros Khan Jonki from Gole House for hockey, Saifullah Khan Tuheen from Babur House for squash, and Raja Mohammed Mustafa Mehdi for tennis.
मोर से नीचे बैठ जाओ बेटा आप इधर आगे आ जाओ आगे बैठ जाओ शेक हैंड फर्स्ट शेक हैंड सन थैंक यू
For the 400 meters over 16, may I please invite the third position, Mohammed Ibrahim Pasha to step forward. For the 400 meters over 16, Mohammed Ibrahim Pasha to please step forward. For the 25 meters old boys over 16, the third position, may I please request Mr. Arif Naseem to step forward and receive his gold medal. We will now move on to the announcements for the Akroba Big Bash Cricket Tournament 2025-26. The Best All-Rounder Award post-2001 category of the Akroba Big Bash Cricket Tournament goes to Mr. Faiz Kamal. Please come forward to receive your award. The Best All-Rounder Award for the post-2001 category goes to Mr. Faiz Kamal. The Best All-Rounder Award for the pre-2001 category of the Akroba Big Bash Cricket Tournament is shared by Mr. Umar Taj and Mr. Mansoor Ali Khan. Kindly come forward to receive your awards. We proudly recognize Mr. Omar Zaman Khan batch of 1989, Mr. Ahmad Azam, batch of 1999, for scoring magnificent centuries during the Akoba Big Bash Cricket Tournament. May they please come forward to receive their recognition awards. The oldest old boy to participate is Mr. Nasir Zaman, batch of 1981 in the Akoba Big Bash Cricket Tournament 2025-26. Sir, please come forward to receive the recognition award.
Next we have Majid Rahani Khan Medal for Outstanding Sportsmanship 25-26, and the award goes to Mustafa Zubair Moeen of Jinnah House. And the last, very important awards and trophies, Best House in Sports 25-26, and the winner of Abdul Rahman Qureshi Challenge Cup is Jubilee House.
Wow. After a very long time. Great work.
Well done, Jubilee.
अभी तो आगे कुछ सीधे खा लो बैठ ये रख रखे बैठ गए
चलो बैठ जाओ This ready.
Best House in March 1st, 26 is Jay House.
थैंक यू सर
Ladies and gentlemen, the most important award of the day, Champion House. All-rounder, Best House in academics, sports, and co-curriculars 25-26. This house is constantly giving a very tough time to all other houses. Jubilee House.
बेटा ट्रॉफी लेके ना इधर बैठ जाना साहब इधर आ जाओ बेटा इधर बैठ जाओ साहब बेटा आगे बैठ जाओ ना इधर आके ट्रॉफी है आगे बैठ जाओ ना इधर बैठ नहीं सर इधर बच्चे ज़्यादा हैं ना पूरी नहीं आती चलो वही पीछे लवली यस गुड यस जेंटलमैन यस रेडी Yes, ready now. Done. Thank you.
Now may I request our principal, Dr. Syed Mohammed Rao Hussain, to present a token of our gratitude to our chief guest, Father Ahmed Hassan. Sir, thank you very much for your time. With this, we have come to the end of today's ceremony. On behalf of the entire management and teaching faculty of Peterson College, I thank you all for your presence. Distinguished guests, members, Board of Governors,